About this item: The last office chair wheels you'll need. Not all caster wheels are created equal. Our heavy-duty chair wheels are made from industrial-grade steel, precision ball bearings, and durable polyurethane chair casters. It's not compatible with IKEA chairs and not either with some off-brand chairs. Our stem size is 7/16 x 7/8. Desk chair mat will not be needed anymore. Our desk chair wheels replacement will never scratch, smudge or damage your floors. Enjoy a carefree, safe glide across wood, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile and carpet floors all day long. PS regarding the smooth rolling on carpet: it depends on the pile carpet that you have, some roll better and some aren't as smooth. High pile carpet usually rolls less smooth than low pile. Replacement for most office chairs. Rest assured that our office chair wheels are compatible with almost any rolling chair. Please check the size of your wheel stubs before ordering. Important: not compatible with IKEA chairs. Our stem size is 7/16 x 7/8. Smooth gliding is as quiet as a mouse. A squeaky, rickety office chair wheel is a telltale sign that they're cheap and poorly made. You'll slide and glide around in total silence with our swivel casters. Your total satisfaction is our #1 priority. We put considerable effort into ensuring we created the best desk chair wheels on the planet. After a quick install and glide around, we're positive you'll agree. If by some miracle you don't, we'll give you a full refund. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: The last office chair wheels you'll need. Not all caster wheels are created equal. Our heavy-duty chair wheels are made from industrial-grade steel, precision ball bearings,